Alexa's Kitchen. Today I'm making an appetizer for you that I got inspired by this beautiful mushroom. It's called a fly agaric mushroom, and the reason why it's called that is because back in the days the people would prepare a bowl of milk, a bowl of warm milk, and added some sugar, and they would cut up this mushroom, which is very poison, and then the flies would come and drink this milk and then they would die. So that's why this mushroom is called fly mushroom. So, and we're using today a tomato. I'm just going to make one of each so you can just get the idea of what we're doing here. So I'm using a big tomato, I'm using a regular egg, I'm using a quail egg and a little cocktail tomato, and then we need some mayonnaise that I just add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. So I've prepared the eggs. They're supposed to be hard boiled, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut the top off and the bottom just a little bit so it's a flat area. So the egg actually stands. We're going to do the same thing with the quail egg. So sometimes the eggs on the top are a little bit moist, so you can just dabble with the paper towel to make sure that they're dry, because we're going to add some mayonnaise on the top to act as glue for the tomato. And now we are going to cut our little tomato in half. So I wanted to show you, before you place your tomato on top of the egg, you want to sort of cut a little bit of the sides here, and then you can easily scoop out your seeds, because a lot of people don't like to eat the seeds. And then you can just take a little spoon and take that out. See? And there's your little top. And just place that on the top. And the same thing with the big tomato. So now I'm going to add the mayonnaise on top of my tomato tops, and we're going to use a Ziploc bag, a plastic bag. I don't have a pastry bag. And the way to fill this in easily is you take one end of the bag and place it in a larger, narrow glass, and then you can fill in your mayonnaise. Okay, so we got our mayonnaise now in our little bag, and we're going to start with the little one, which means we need really small hole. So that's what we're going to start with. Make a really small hole in our bag, and then just place little dabbles here on top of our little mushroom. Okay, and then for the bigger one, we're going to make a bigger hole and do the same thing. There you go. So see how easy that is, and people really love that. It's really great for, you know, late spring or summer, and you can make many of them, and they will all be eaten. So thank you for joining me again today in Alexa's Kitchen. Remember, when you see the real one in the forest, don't pick him up. He's really poison. Just take a look and admire his beauty. And I will see you next time in Alexa's Kitchen. Bye bye.